This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your video clips to a USB storage device on your PlayStation 4. So if you have this plugged in, let's go up the top and go on down to Devices. And then go over to USB Storage Devices and then select it under here. Now if you want to try using this as extended storage, you can go to Format right here, but it's got to be 250 gigabytes. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Now, if you just want to transfer video clips to this, press Options and make sure you format it as exFAT, and then format it right here. So just under the screen, press Options on your controller, and then it will give you the option to format it, and this will allow you to use it on your PS4. Go to Yes. All right, so it's been formatted. Let's go back, and we can just locate the capture gallery on our PS4 now. Then I'm going to go to All and find the video clip you want to copy. So let's go to here, press Options on it, then go to Copy to USB Storage, and then we can select multiple things. So let's just select this, and then go over to Copy, go to OK. Now we can take this over to our computer, and we can just plug it in, and it should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.